So we have a new product here. This is our GM G-Body lower torque box replacement. These are all built here in-house, laser cut, CNC press, broken TIG welded. We have multiple pickup points for the lower control arm. There's actually 7 holes, so there's 7 placements. It's all modular design. It's tab and slot put together for strength. One of the features that we did to help installation is we put these guide notches and holes. Those line up with the original factory gauge holes, so that basically all that you do is you put this up in the frame of the car and line up those holes into that notch with the factory frame notches, and go level across the bottom to make sure that they're level and weld them in. It's a really simple installation. We'll be doing a video on the installation in the future, and we do have our upper torque boxes that are under development now. So these will be available on the website within the next day or two. They'll be reasonably priced, and it'll be an easy installation and give you much needed adjustment on your G-Body suspension.